Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Loving Life Freely here on YouTube, and I was sorting through trying to figure out what I wanted to do photos for my listings today, and I ran into this box that I have had sitting here for a little bit. I've got a few boxes sitting that I'm trying to get to, and this is one of the gals that I've been buying out inventory from. She's no longer sourcing, and she is selling off her old inventory. So this is my second box with her. So let's dive into this. Again, this was her old inventory. She basically wanted to at least recoup some of her investment in her items. So I'm going to dive into this. I do believe there's 20 pieces in here. So I thought while I was unpacking it, I would go ahead and do a quick unboxing for y'all before I start doing my photos for the day, to see if maybe this might be a blessing to you. Again, this is a seller who is on Instagram, and she is no longer reselling, so she's selling off her inventory, and I bought some more. Okay, this is Hell Bunny Vixen. Okay, this is definitely vintage. Definitely vintage. Very cute. Has beautiful lace. I'm curious to see how this does. Very cute. Okay, there's that piece. And corduroy. What is the brand? Okay, Polo by Ralph Lauren. Oh, what size was that? Did that have a size on it? Let me see. Size large. So, great size. Polo by Ralph Lauren. Also size large. Corduroy denim jacket. Yeah, very cute. Very good. Got some shoes in here. We will pull those in a minute. Let's see what else we have. Okay. Oh my gosh, Judy Blue. This is the first time I've ever had Judy Blue. Again, guys, I mentioned the weekly reseller chat before. One of the reasons why I've been enjoying buying items from people, whether they're sourcing for me at the bins or sending me old inventory because they're no longer reselling, is because it gives me access to brands that I do not have local to me. And Judy Blue is one. I do not have access to that at all. This is the 16W Slim Fit jeans. This is so perfect for the fall. It looks like they're also distressed. They have a raw hemline. I am very excited about that piece. Very happy with that. Okay, I have the North Face. She put a few shoes in here. The North Face, size medium. Okay, so this will probably list for about maybe $25. It's nice and fleece, which is great for the season coming up. All right, what is this? Oh, I think this might be Lululemon. Nope, this is not Lululemon. It has the person's name on it, but I'm also trying to figure out what the brand is. I've seen that logo before, but I don't remember what it is. But this is a really cute athletic zip jacket, hooded zip jacket. I'm trying to see if I can find the logo. It's on the button or the thing. I don't remember what this logo is. You guys probably will remember. It just has the logo on the tag, and I can't really read anything else. So yeah, I'll list that. What size was that? Does it have a size on it? Size 10, so it's a good size. Very happy with that. Okay. All right, Nautica, size medium. This is new with tags. Ooh, this is a great men's piece. Yeah, this is a nice men's piece. Got some fuzz on it, but this is a waffle knit shirt. This is so perfect for the fall season, especially if you do outdoor work. Okay. All right, Sperry. Looks like some kids' Sperry shoes. Great for the fall season. And then next, Carhartt. Carhartt size medium regular. This is a great shirt. Again, perfect for the season coming up. Carhartt. This is actually a denim fabric. Carhartt, that's like a denim shirt. Nice thick denim shirt. All right, what is this? Okay, Harley Davidson, size large. Harley Davidson, size large. Another great men's piece. Has a Harley Davidson here. Yeah, I'll probably list some of these today. Okay. All right, Dickies, 40 by 34. Dickies do sell for me. They just don't sell for much. These are a nice big size, and they are new with tags. So that's good. I'll probably get maybe 10, 15 for that. Okay, North Face again, size large. This is the windbreaker jacket with the hood inside. So it does have the hood on it. Size large. This is gonna, I'm gonna guess this is a men's. It's kind of hard to tell. It could actually be unisex. All right, now I have a bunch of shoes in here. Looks like there might still be some things at the bottom too. Okay, these are Coconuts by Matisse. I'll definitely need to get these listed right away. I have no idea about this brand, but they look like they're brand new. Okay, and then I have some boots. I do not have local access to good shoes. All my Goodwill stores around here, the shoe sections are terrible and they're really beat up, so I really don't buy shoes in my thrift stores much. All right, these are Clark's. These are men's. You can tell by how they look. These are definitely men's. Size, whoops, what was that? Size 9. These are men's size 9, so that's really cool. We'll definitely get those going. So far, everything in here is definitely listable. Okay, Kula Berry. Oh, these are Uggs. Kula Berry by Ugg. Awesome. I'll definitely want to list these right away. Kula Berry by Ugg. I didn't know that there was a Kula Berry by Ugg. Lots of shoes in here. Some boots. These are new with tags. These retailed for $169. So what is the brand? $169. Okay, these are Lane Bryant, and these are new. Yeah, these have never been used. They still have the thing inside of them. These are Lane Bryant, and they are a size 10W, and they are leather. This is great. I'm curious to comp those, you guys. That could be a really good deal. I will definitely be focusing on these today. Okay, I'm glad she put them in a bag. These are suede. And they are a block heel. Okay, Sperry again. I hope Sperry does well for me. Typically, I've tried selling Sperry shoes before, and they didn't do well, so I'm hoping that these will do better for me. It could have been the type of shoes that I got. Okay, these are AGL. These again, I think, are new with tags. They have a thing on them. I'm not sure. Made in Italy. These look like they're probably really nice. These are new. They've never been used. I will have to check this brand. I don't know anything about them, but they're super cute. And they have a little bow on it. They're black with the blue bow. I don't know anything about this brand, so I'm very excited to definitely going to be working on these today. Okay, so I have some more sandals. All right, these are Jacques Saint-Tropez. Never heard of that before either. Again, I will get these listed today just because they're sandals, and we're nearing the end of the season. I'm kind of wishing I had opened this box earlier, but that is okay. That is okay. Okay, Lucky Brand. I actually just sold some Lucky Brands not long ago. These are really cute. They have a bit of a chevron textured look to them. It's kind of hard to see it in the camera. Can you kind of see that chevron textured look to them? And the block heel. So yeah, all of this I will definitely be working on getting listed today. I've been averaging between 12 to 15 listings a day lately. More men's shoes. These are native. And depending how this goes, I might even let her know that I want another box. I've already sold a few pieces couple pieces from her first box. So that was very exciting. Okay, I do not know what these are. These again are new. Okay, oh, Coach Poppy? Coach Poppy. Is this by Coach? These are Coach shoes. She sent me some really good stuff. I might reach out to her and have her send me another box. Coach. Yeah, I'm going to be working on all these today. I'm going to make sure that there's 20 here because there should be 20 in the box. Let me double check. Okay, she actually sent me 21 pieces, which is fantastic. Yeah, I'm really excited to get these listed because some of these pieces are pieces I've never had before. I did get Coach. I got some great stuff. Again, I might reach out to her. She may still have inventory. I know she had a lot, and she's been selling it off to different people. So I may reach out and get another box for a couple weeks from now because these have been great pieces. I'm excited about the shoes because, again, I don't have access to a lot of great shoes, and there's some good shoes here. So, guys, I hope this was a blessing to you. I was just going to open this by myself, but like I said, I'll go ahead and take a minute to do a really quick unboxing for y'all. Again, this was another reseller who is no longer reselling, and she is selling off her old inventory. So, yeah, the card was good for these, especially for some of these pieces. I will definitely be able to at least double my money, probably triple on some of these. And, guys, if you have not yet subscribed yet, please do so. Between unboxings like this, our monthly what solds, our weekly reseller chats, and also I've got a video going out about eBay shipping and some other content. Guys, do feel free to subscribe. It is completely free of charge. Hit that bell notification if this video was a help to you. And guys, I will see you in the next one.